I am so excited right now. I am opening up a package from Jon Renau. Let me see if I can hold this up. It says, yay, your happy mail is here. Jon Renau did a question contest called Hair We Wear for 3 Mondays straight. And then they did a bonus round, and I was the first to answer the bonus round. Oh my goodness, I'm so, like, I still can't believe it. And they let me pick any wig I wanted, and I was gonna get Sarah, which I was super excited about, dream wig. And so when I was telling them thank you so much, and I just told them the color I wanted, and they said, I said, thank you so much, this is like dream hair next to Blake. And they were like, you know you can get Blake. And I was like, what? Like, no. And they're like, yeah, you can get Blake if you want Blake. And I was just like, oh my goodness. And I haven't had a human hair wig yet. So I was kind of like, do I or don't I? I'm kind of nervous. And I had a few hair friends say, if you don't get that Blake wig, I'm gonna come over here and slap you with my cheap wigs. So I was like, okay. Because I didn't want to seem like greedy, you know, or taking advantage of the wonderful, amazing gift that Jon Renau was giving out. So I went ahead and picked Blake, and this is me opening it for the very first time, as you just saw. I have not opened it yet, and I want to be careful here as I open it. All right. You are getting first reactions here. I wish I had a better setup to record all this. I guess I could wait till my kids go to bed and do it on my kitchen table, but let's be honest, I'm too impatient to wait for this. I was checking my blinds like all day, waiting for the mail. Okay, first off, can we just say amazing? A black ribbon bow and a card. I'm already floored. Like, this is a gift enough. Thank you so much, Jon Renau. I am in heaven. Oh my goodness. Okay, so in here is the Jon Renau Hair Care and Styling Kit, specifically formulated for alternative human hair. And in here is the Argan Smooth Shampoo, the Argan Smoother Conditioner, Blown Away Cream, Blow Dry Balm, Argan Smoother Treatment Mist, Jon Renau Paddle Brush. So all that comes in here. And then they sent me the new Repair, which I've been watching tons of videos ever since I decided to do the human hair. And if you don't know, Jon Renau has a whole human hair playlist of 12 videos specifically for human hair and how to take care of your human hair piece. Okay, so the Repair Cream, you want to actually use it every 3 to 5 washes. It's a deep conditioning treatment, and you kind of bag it and apply a little heat with it. Okay. So a plastic stand as well for your wig. Not my wig. And a canvas blockhead. Oh my heavens. I was asking them, like, so do I blow dry it on my head? Like, I've never had a human hair wig. So I was just like, you know, so do I blow dry it? Because I see that they say you need to blow dry it to style it. And they're like, no, you need a canvas blockhead and we'll send that to you too. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Jon Renau. Don't want to get any makeup on it. Okay. Oh, and here's the stand for the canvas blockhead. Oh my goodness. Woohoo. It goes like this. Okay, so you can attach it to a table or a lip. And then this is how you're gonna put the canvas block head, and this is how you style the wig. All right, now for the main event of this shindig here. All right, so I moved the big box back there. Let's take a look. Jon Renau Smart Lace Human Hair Blake FS 27. So this is actually also my first hand-tied cap by Jon Renau. Comes with a care instruction book, check washing. I will need to do that very soon. You want to check wash your wig within 2 weeks of receipt. And on the Jon Renau Human Hair channel is a video about check washing and why you can do that. I haven't felt human hair like this healthy in a long time. It's very nice. I can't even believe the feeling of this. It's human hair. It's gorgeous human hair. It looks like more blonder here in my lighting in my room. So I will probably take this in the bathroom here and show you the lighting in there. Wow. Okay, let's try putting this on. All right, here we go. Oh, I want to show you the inside of this cap actually. Hand tied. Monofilament. Amazing soft nape. Like incredible. Incredible ear tabs. So soft. Wow, this is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, let's pray this fits my big noggin. It fits. Okay, let's adjust. OMG. I could like cry right now. This is beautiful, beautiful hair. Gorgeous. Like, this is real human hair, guys. Wow. Okay guys, here we are in my bathroom. It is a lighter color for me, but there's a reason why I did this. I wasn't sure, I wanted a red, but the chocolate cherry, I didn't want to try that in this color. I can always customize this. And so I talked with my hairdresser, who's like my aunt, and we decided that this would be the best color because if I ever want to customize, I can easily. With this one, holy moly, this is to die for. Look at this lace front. Look at this. It's just incredible. Incredible. I'm gonna pivot the sides a little bit. I can add some baby hairs, I know. I feel like a princess. So, I'm gonna be doing some styling videos with this one. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. I'm